comes up to the surface. So the color starts to break apart, which is what happened with this. As I roll it with a rolling pin, the color starts to do that. And this one was wrapped in plastic, so it's actually pretty sticky, and it's got actually more distress on it, which I've never done before, because the plastic picked up some of the color. So I got, and I've got some interesting marks going on there. And this is the same thing. I just did blue dots and then poured the slip down and then peeled it up. And when I rolled it, these blue dots started to stretch and break apart.
That's nice.
And then this is the same thing. So these are all just a bunch of different little slabs that I made. And what I will do, and this one, I'm trying to do two-sided color for sculpture. So this one actually has another half on the back side. The other half of the slab I just put
fabric
on the back side. And so what I have to do is transfer it to another dry surface to keep rolling it, because you can see what happens is all the moisture starts transferring. I've got lots of these rolling pins, and I just trade them out while I'm working, and then I wash them at the end, because otherwise you're always washing it. So, and I use interfacing, which I forgot to bring, so I'll put interfacing down, that'll help me roll, and sometimes interfacing folds, so I'll get cracks, little seams.
And do you find you like that graded roller
I love this roller.
Falcon?
It's actually Williams and Sonoma.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's a pastry roller. I like it because I have control over exactly where I want to touch, and I have no corner. So when I'm rolling, I don't run into a corner of the rolling pin and make a dent.
Yeah.
But I can just roll one little spot right there with it, and I can see exactly what's going on. I really like that. So this is pretty sticky, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to cut out one form and I'm going to make a cup. So if I were going to make a pouring vessel, this is my little template for a pouring vessel. And what I do is I find the place that the information that I want to use. This is a little messy, but maybe we'll do this. So we'll take that off, and I'll do this. A little bit of thick and thin to it. But I put that on there, and then put the two together. So then I have a blue field. And if I want to have a white stripe somewhere, I'll do that. A little thinner.
And what's that roller?
This is Pampered Chef. It's a silicone roller. It's a pastry rolling tool. It actually comes with this little piece that comes out that's a scoring tool for working with pastry, but I think I lost that. But it's great because it doesn't get wet like a wooden rolling pin does.
Wow. And you got that through Williams and Sonoma?
No, one of my neighbors had a Pampered Chef is like Tupperware. You have to have.
Oh, you have to. Oh my God.
Yeah, you have to have a home party, and you have to talk about your children, and you have to. You probably could.
Have hors d'oeuvres.
Have hors d'oeuvres. Yeah, it's you know.
Tupperware party.
Yeah.
Exactly. So many. I finally told my friends, listen.
So I might just do. Let's see if I'm gonna do this guy. Oh, look! See, there's this really cool spot right there. So I want to include that spot somehow. So maybe I'll put that in my cup. That'll work. So I might do something like this. Okay, so that's going to be the pouring vessel. And this is my other favorite tool. It's the slab mat, compressed paper. Awesome. I have one. What you have, that printer's blanket.
Yeah.